Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up your computer. Let's start. First you need to click Ctrl Alt Delete buttons and you can see blue window, but you can't see on my PC. Okay, and just pick up Start Task Manager and you open window like that. You being in here, but you need to go to process and you can see all process I've got, but for you much more. So and pros and click and pros on program. Do you know? If you don't know that program, better don't click and pros, because you need to restart your computer. Step 2, you need to go Windows button or something and go in computer, right click, properties, then open like window like that. You can see my PC bad. Okay, go in advanced system settings. You can see that you can be in that, but you need to go to advanced settings and just click this, adjust for best preference, something like that. Click apply and your PC loading and you can see your PC like that. You can always change back. Okay, and step 3, you need to add lowest graphics on your game. Okay, I'm gonna show you that. Okay, you can see I'm back. So you need just enter world. This can be laggy because I'm writing video with raps, so I created video how to get World of Warcraft Mist of Pandaria for free and all that stuff. You can see in my channel. So, and you can download it for free. You don't need I don't know, pay money for Blizzard or something. You can just play for free. There is some bugs and all that stuff. You can see it can be maybe lag, but just little because I'm writing video. Okay, you can see I can walk, I can use my powers, all that stuff. But first you need to do click on all games. This works on all games. System or settings or something, go in graphics and set lowest graphics, lowest, and resolution. You need to do that if your PC very bad. And then you need sound, off all sound, loud sound. You don't need sound because this and lag it too. So that's all what I'm gonna show you. Step 3, that's all steps, and fun time.